Hey guys, so naanami sa Lagri para mag-pilates. Niride siya sa may Cafe Basilico Pasulud. Ooh! Signage! Let's go!
Itong green, super light. One white is light, black is heavy. Sa hard gummy. 100%.
Joke lang ko eh.
Kamusta yung first experience?
It was great.
It was hard work. Ako kasukahon ko.
Which is good.